Welcome to FluentEdge Verbal Academy, where personal growth, professional skills, and world-class communication training come together. FEVA is your premier online academy for English mastery, communication skills, and professional growth, all designed for the modern learner. Our mission is simple: to empower individuals and organizations to communicate with clarity, confidence, and impact. From beginner to advanced levels, our structured English courses help you build strong fundamentals, grow fluency, and speak with confidence. Unlock a natural American accent and elevate your spoken English with expert-led fluency and pronunciation coaching. We also offer specialized corporate programs for call centers, BPOs, and businesses, helping teams strengthen leadership, communication, and client handling skills. And for deeper improvement, our one-on-one coaching sessions give you personalized guidance tailored to your unique goals. FEVA is led by seasoned industry professionals with over 15 years of experience in training, communication, and professional development. What makes FEVA different? Flexible learning options, focused mentorship, and a results-driven approach that delivers real transformation. We're launching soon. Contact us on WhatsApp or email for updates and inquiries. And follow FEVA on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for all the latest updates.